I've used plenty of laptop stands. I've used plenty of USB-C hubs. This is the first combo unit I've used, and I gotta say, it is awesome. So just as a laptop stand, it's fantastic. The material, the build, it's very secure, very sturdy. It has plenty of rubber to protect your laptop and rubber on the bottom so it doesn't move around. And then as a USB-C hub, it's really not all that special. You've got the one HDMI port, you've got 4 USB 3.0 ports. So not a whole lot, but this just makes things so simple. You can keep your laptop on here, plug your laptop into the cord, and you are good to go. Super simple. This was sent to me so I could try it out. Let's have a closer look at the material. You can see the stand is metal, and then you've got rubber here to keep the laptop in place, rubber here to protect it, and here as well. It's very strong, like it takes a bit of force to open up. So very secure. Once you set it, your laptop's not going to move. Has a braided cable that's built into the hub portion of it. This is also rubber, so it doesn't move around. You got some rubber here as well. Plug in your power here, then you've got a single HDMI, then you have 4 USB 3.0 on the front. My wife recently moved where her home office is from up a couple levels down to the basement where I am, probably just so she can be closer to me. Aww. But the problem she had with her desk setup is that the laptop level wasn't lined up with the monitor I had set up for her, so she's been asking me to get a laptop stand. I gotta say, this is absolutely perfect. It just works incredibly well. If you're going to get a laptop stand, you might as well get one that has USB and HDMI ports built into it. Just makes things a lot simpler. This is really nice.